Creating YouTube thumbnails involves designing visually appealing images that represent the content of your video and entice viewers to click and watch. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make YouTube thumbnails. 1. Understand your content. Before creating a thumbnail, consider the main theme or focus of your video. Identify key elements, visuals, or text that can effectively represent the video's content and grab viewers' attention. 2. Choose an image editing software. You can use various image editing software options like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, GIMP, or Pixlr. Select the software that you are comfortable using and that provides the necessary features for creating and editing images. 3. Thumbnail dimensions. YouTube recommends using a thumbnail size of 1280 by 720 pixels, with a minimum width of 640 pixels. Ensure that your thumbnail meets these dimensions to ensure optimal visibility and clarity. 4. Select a background. Start by choosing a visually appealing background that reflects the mood or theme of your video. It can be a solid color, a gradient, an image, or a combination of elements. Consider using colors that catch the eye and make your thumbnail stand out. 5. Add text. Include engaging and descriptive text that summarizes or teases the video's content. Use clear and easy-to-read fonts. Consider using bold or stylized fonts for emphasis. Place the text in a prominent position on the thumbnail. 6. Include imagery or graphics. Incorporate relevant images, illustrations, or graphics that support your video's topic. Use images that are high quality, visually appealing, and representative of your content. Ensure that the images are clear and distinguishable, even when viewed in smaller thumbnail sizes. 7. Use icons or symbols. Icons or symbols can help convey the type of content or the video's subject matter quickly. For example, if your video is a tutorial, you can use icons related to education or tools. If it's a review, you can include stars or rating icons. 8. Maintain consistency. Establish a consistent visual style for your YouTube thumbnails to create a cohesive and recognizable brand. Use consistent color schemes, fonts, and design elements across your thumbnails, giving viewers a sense of familiarity and professionalism. 9. Test and optimize. Experiment with different thumbnail designs to see which ones attract more viewers and clicks. Analyze the performance of your videos with different thumbnails and refine your designs based on the feedback and engagement metrics you receive. 10. Save and upload. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail design, save the image in a suitable format, e.g., JPEG or PNG, and upload it to your YouTube video when you publish it. Ensure that the thumbnail accurately represents the video's content to set proper viewer expectations. Remember that YouTube has certain guidelines and restrictions regarding thumbnails, so make sure to review and adhere to their policies. Additionally, it's essential to create thumbnails that are visually appealing, informative, and click-worthy to attract viewers and increase engagement with your videos. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.